Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 8 Cueesun Ct in Redcliffe. If you've been looking to get into the property market and you're on a budget but don't want to compromise where you live, then this is the home for you. Just a few minutes to the airport, a few minutes to the city and the shopping precincts as well. You should have this one on your shopping list. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 8 Cueesun Ct in Redcliffe. As you can see, this home has huge potential for the first home buyer or the growing family. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.